You have got a date, a place, and 40 people to invite. Let us go live. Give it a name, a date, and a venue, and the page takes shape as you type. If it happens every week, switch on recurrence and pick the pattern once. Add a free RSVP or a paid ticket with its own price and capacity. Hit publish and it lands on your public events page looking genuinely good. Guests start reserving their spot the moment it goes live in a single click. Your guest list fills in with names, tickets, and check-in status automatically. Charging admission? The money flows straight into your own Stripe or PayPal account. Everyone who signs up gets a confirmation and a ticket, sent without you lifting a finger. Automatic reminders nudge them before the day, so fewer seats sit empty. A built-in health check keeps the whole thing running, with no fragile setup. And when doors open, you already know exactly who is coming. That is a real event, live and taking sign-ups before your coffee cools.